Welcome to ExBot Help. This is ExBot developer Isru Abarathna. In this video, I will guide you through the purchase process, downloading and installing ExBot2026, and the license activation process. Let's get started. We begin at the Gumroad purchase page. Click on the Buy This button. You will be redirected to the checkout page. Here, enter your details and complete the payment. Once the payment is successful, you will see a download page and you will receive a payment receipt via email. You can also click View Receipt to access it anytime. Now download the ExBot2026 installer. Your browser may show a warning like, "This file is not commonly downloaded." This is normal for new software. Since you are downloading from the official Gumroad purchase page, it is safe to proceed. To continue, click the three dots next to the download, select Keep, then choose Keep Anyway. The installer will now download to your computer. When you open the installer, Microsoft Defender SmartScreen may appear. This happens because the software is new and not yet widely recognized by Microsoft. As long as you downloaded it from the official source, you can proceed safely. To continue, click More Info, then click Run Anyway. In some cases, your antivirus software may block the installer. The recommended approach is add an exception for the installer file only. Do not disable your antivirus completely. This keeps your system secure while allowing installation. Once the installer starts, you will see the welcome screen. Read the license agreement carefully, then proceed with the installation. Follow the on-screen steps until installation is complete. After installation, open the ExBot2026 Excel file. On first launch, the product activation window will appear. Here, enter your license key. Make sure you are connected to the internet, then complete the activation process. If activation window does not appear. If the activation window does not appear, the most common reason is macros are disabled in Excel. fix this, enable macros in your Excel settings, then close and reopen the ExBot file. The activation window should now appear. For detailed installation steps, please refer to the file. ReadMe installationguide.txt, located in the installation directory. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more ExBot tutorials and updates. For support and additional information, check the links in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.